Air St. Luke's is about how we affect the health of this region, what we do as far as how can we support critical access hospitals, how we can support our local partnered EMS agencies. My name is Victor Kwan. I'm the EMS manager for Air St. Luke's. My one experience with my friend that was my neighbor that got shot, seeing how that flight crew took care of that person and treated him, teamwork that was involved, the mechanics of how they moved, flew that person over to the trauma center and really got into that. That was when I decided this is what I want to get into. So I started looking for programs up here, and I was very intrigued with the fact that it was hospital-based. I never worked for a hospital-based program before. And just kind of hearing about the safety track record, the maintenance they have on their aircraft, what their values were, it really drawn me to Air St. Luke's.
Tell me what happened.
The team. One thing that's I've kind of noticed within the industry is that a lot of programs, you have flight nurses or flight medics, and they'll stick around for maybe 3 years, 5 years. But when I came here, I noticed that, I have employees here that have been 30 plus years with St. Luke's. Being partnered with Idaho Helicopters and then being a Bell Service Center means that our maintenance is taken care of. I don't have any second thoughts about that. Avionics, we got the most up-to-date features on this aircraft. Those are all things that are important. It's seen by our crews, it's seen by our administrators, it's seen by anybody that calls Air St. Luke's for a service. They know it. We have a reputation in the area that's excellent. Bell 429 is great. I've flown in several different platforms. I think it's the best combination of performance as well as the best ambulance. And it's modular, it's versatile, we can configure the interior to adjust to the situation. Other times is we do work sometimes with several different search and rescue teams, and having that ability to move a seat backwards or what, and load gear in, having the compartment that's able to do that. Wide access doors gives us access or the ability to pack oddly shaped equipment sometimes. It's a very versatile aircraft.
We're going to take really good care of you.
It is a lot smoother. It's quick, it's got great power. I can't think of a situation when we were really affected by weather where we can lift vertically and take off from a situation. That's important, especially when we're talking about backcountry wilderness calls where we're landing into a thicket of trees or so between tight spaces, and the ability to lift straight up is important. This aircraft's been great. Absolutely. I trust it, I trust IHI. I trust Air St. Luke's, I trust our pilots, no doubt in my mind.